What up guys, Miguel here, Vigatech, and here we are in the SM Mall of Asia concert grounds where Ford has kindly invited us to test drive the new Ford Ranger FX4. So, what are we waiting for? Let's go check it out! Aside from the ease of use updates for the Ranger Raptor and the rest of the Ranger lineup, Ford Philippines has just recently launched the new Ford Ranger FX4. It comes in 2 variants and 5 colors, namely Arctic White, True Red, Meteor Gray, Aluminum Metallic, and Absolute Black. The Ranger FX4 features an updated design that includes 18-inch ebony black alloy wheels, a new mesh grille, and an extended steel sports bar situated at the cargo bed. We also get some new FX4 decals on the side of the truck as well as the FX4 badge located at the back, so owners can flex that this truck isn't your typical Ford Ranger. Fun fact, the F in FX4 actually means, you guessed it, Ford. Now, powering the new Ford Ranger FX4 is Ford's 2.2-liter Duratorq diesel engine, and like I said earlier, we do get 2 variants. So those of you looking to purchase this vehicle should be happy to know that you can pair that Duratorq engine with either a 6-speed manual or 6-speed automatic transmission. The FX4 is capable of delivering a maximum of 160 horsepower at 3,200 RPM and 385 Nm of torque at 1,600 to 2,500 RPM. Inside the FX4, it looks very typical modern Ford, and unlike the usual Ranger XLS and XLTs, we get some FX4 branding in here as well. I do think it's worth mentioning that both variants of the FX4 is equipped with driver assistance technology such as cruise control, ABS, rear parking sensors, rain sensing wipers, and power folding mirrors. We also get an 8-inch full-color touchscreen infotainment system that's compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto via Ford Sync. Unfortunately, we don't get a rear-view camera, so you FX4 owners might want to slap on a third-party one or just rely on your God-given reversing talents. Now, for those of you interested in the new Ford Ranger FX4, it's already available in Ford dealerships nationwide, and I'll have pricing flash on screen right now. And this was a quick look at the Ford Ranger FX4. I mean, if you're in town for a new Ranger but don't want to go necessarily for the wild track, here's your baby wild track right here. Hope you liked this video. If you did enjoy this video, let us know in the comment section below. But if you found it helpful and loved it, be sure to smack that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit that bell icon to get notified of future uploads. Be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this has been Miguel, and this has been the Ford Ranger FX4, and we will see you in the next one.